Hello my lovely kids, great afternoon to one and all. Now it's time to learn maths and you all are welcome in maths class. In maths class today we will learn subtraction with 2 digits. In yesterday class we have learned subtraction with 1 digit and what is the meaning of subtraction? Subtraction is the process to taking away one number from the another. And it is also known finding the difference of numbers. So today in this class we are going to learn subtraction with 2 digits. So let's get started. So my dear students, now we are going to learn subtraction with 2 digits. Firstly, you have to write down today's day. What is the day today? Tuesday. At the left side you have to write down today's day, and in the next line you have to write down today's date, 24 August 2021. Now in the right side you have to write down classwork, okay, and in the next line you have to write down the heading sums of subtraction, and this is a sign of subtraction. Subtraction denoted by this sign. This is a sign of subtraction. Now we will do the sums of subtraction. See the first sum here. In the first sum we have the number 45 and 32. Now we have to subtract 32 from 45. आपको 32 को 45 में से लेस करना है. How will we subtract? We will subtract from the right side. Always remember, sum will be started from right side. Right side से sum को start करना है. Now you have to write here tens and ones at the top of the numbers. Okay. Now we will do the calculation of one-sided digits. Here the digit is 5 and 2. Now you have to subtract 2 from 5. Now you have to count out your fingers. Firstly we have to count number 5. So count your 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many number you will subtract now? You have to subtract now 2 number from 5. So we will remove 2 fingers from 5. अब हम क्या करेंगे? 5 में से 2 fingers को remove कर देंगे. 1, 2. You will close your 2 fingers. How many numbers are remaining now? 1, 2, 3. Here is number 3 is remaining. So we will write here number 3 below the 5 and 2. Okay? We will write here number 3. Now see the digits of tens place. Here is the digit 4 and 3. Now you have to count out your 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now which number you will subtract? Number 3. You will subtract number 3 from 4. 1, 2, 3. How many finger is remaining now? Here is 1 finger is remaining. So we will write here number 1. When we subtract 32 from 45, then we get the answer as 13. 1, 3, 13. Okay. Now see the next sum. Like the previous sum, you will write here tens and ones at the top of the numbers. Here is the number 86 and 54. We will subtract 54 from 86. आपको 54 को 86 में से subtract करना है. How can we subtract now? See the digits here at the ones place. Here is the digit 6 and 4. We will subtract 4 from 6. Now you have to count out 6 fingers. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now which number you will remove from 6? You will remove 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now which number we will get? 1, 2. We will get number 2. Now we will write here number 2. Okay. And when we subtract 4 from 6, then we get the digit 2. Now you have to do the calculation of digit from 10 side. Here is the number 8 and 5. Now we will subtract 5 from 8. You have to count out your 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now how many fingers you will remove? You will remove 5 fingers from 8. So here are 5 fingers in my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will close it, and now how many fingers are remaining? 1, 2, 3. So we will write here number 3. When we subtract 54 from 86, then we get the answer as 32. जब हमने 86 में से 54 को subtract किया, then we get the answer as 32. Okay? Now see the third sum. In the third sum, here is the number 95 and 30. Now you have to write down tens and ones at the top of the numbers. Now on the ones place we have the number 5 and 0. Now we will subtract, and this is a sign of subtraction. Now we will subtract 0 from 5. जब हम 5 में से 0 को माइनस करेंगे तो हमें क्या नंबर मिलेगा? सो वी विल काउंट द फिंगर्स. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 5 fingers. When we remove 0 from 5, जब हमने 5 में से 0 रिमूव किया, मीन्स हमने कोई भी नंबर रिमूव नहीं करना है. सो वी विल गेट द आंसर एज नंबर 5. सो 5 minus 0 equal to 5. So we will write here 5. Okay, now see the digits of tens place. Okay, now we have to find out difference of 9 and 3. We will count our 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here are 9 fingers. How many fingers you will remove from 9 now? Number 3. So we will remove 3 fingers from 9. So 1, 2, 3. We will remove it. Now how many fingers we will get? Yes, we will get 6 fingers. So we will write here number 6. So difference of 95 and 30 equal to 65. So this is our answer. Okay. So today in this class we have learned how can we do subtraction with the help of our fingers. Okay. I hope you understood the concept of subtraction very well. Now it's your turn to do practice of subtraction sum at your home. I hope you will do it very well. So my dear students, in today's math class we have learned subtraction with 2 digits. And I hope you understood the concept of subtraction and you can find out the difference of numbers. So student, this is your homework. You have to do sums of subtraction in your notebook. I hope you will do it very nicely. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye students.